Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need to fix your tax info on AC. It's doable. So your taxpayer details on AC must match your legal and bank information to avoid any payout or tax form issues. So all we're gonna do to access all of this information, the answer is right, it's Shop Manager. How to access it, we're gonna see all of this in today's small tutorial. So let's get started. It's time right now to access our Etsy. It doesn't really matter if you are using the app, if you are using the website. It's the same steps, same platform. Just make sure you are fully connected to the internet. If you are using the app, make sure you are using the latest version. Otherwise, you are fine. It's time now to go to Etsy.com, tap on the link, then go and log in using your email address and password. Tap on Shop Manager in the top right corner. Now, tap on Finances and select Legal and Tax Information. Then click Edit next to your taxpayer details. Update your legal name, address, or even tax ID. Then review carefully before submitting. It's important to review this. You may be asked to verify your identity, it's totally fine. As for like a bonus tip, make sure your tax ID matches government records exactly. Even small spelling errors can trigger verification delays. Then check your email for any confirmation after submitting, since Etsy may send you an email telling you what's going on with your account and all of this. You may also wanna talk to the support to confirm it's really you. You can do this, like all of this, or you can just access it from the Shop Manager. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.